Hey, picture this. You open a website, but it's slow. Looks awkward on any device. And buttons don't even work. Annoying, right? You immediately leave the sites. Now imagine how many people would do the same, costing businesses and creators big time. Now what if you could be the one to fix that? What if you could be the one to create websites that are fast, easy to use and looks amazing on any devices? That's what this course is all about. With the right skills, you will be able to turn those messy web pages into the experiences that people enjoy. To do this, you will learn all the essentials: HTML to lay fundamentals, CSS to make it look great, JavaScript to add fun interactions, and React for fast and powerful apps. These tools will make you a web development pro. By the end of this course, you will be building web pages that people want to visit, sites that are visually stunning, interactive, and responsive. So, are you ready to turn those messy web pages into the smooth experiences? Let's jump in and start creating.